Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all doing today?
Good
Good
afternoon.
morning to you. We are good.
Mm-hmm. And how's the practice going?
Yes, it's
Hello.
going good.
Good afternoon.
Yes, Rekha ma'am.
Good.
How's the practice going?
Yeah, it's going on well. I've written everything. Gratitude,
Very nice.
affirmations.
Just keep doing it. Keep doing it.
Yes. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't start with the photo practice yet.
Oh, that's okay. It's 3 p.m. Okay, that's fine. You can do whenever you can.
That we need not do everything. Huh?
No. That was for only today. If you want to improve your relation, you can do it every day.
Okay.
It's a separate, but you don't have to. No, you
This
don't.
is optional. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's option. I told because relationships are very important, and right now everything is messed up in our life everywhere.
Correct.
So it's better to, if you want to improve a particular relation, you can start writing for that particular relation. Hmm. Okay. Anybody would like to share something from the experience? We are waiting for some more participants to join for Peak Tech programming. Okay, I want to address you, introduce you today with one very nice song. It's called Ho'oponopono song. It's a Hawaiian song, but it is very, very profound in healing you. So, like right now, what we have so much burden and garbage from our past, and most of the time we are criticizing ourselves, and we are doing so many things that it's like degrading ourselves all the time. So what this song does is it create your emotion, it take out your emotion and make you forgive yourself, forgive your body, and things like that. So there are like four parts to this song. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I thank you, and I love you. So these are like four parts to this song. What I generally do is I play this song whenever I go in shower. So that way I select each part of my body and I say thank you to all parts of my body. Same way you have to forgive yourself. So if you play this song, believe me, one time when I played first time this song, I was like, I could not stop crying. Why? Because my inner self wanted to cry. Because I suppressed it so much throughout the whole my years that it wanted to cry. Because now I'm taking time to forgive my inner self, forgive my own self for not taking out the time for things that I wanted to do, or things that were so important and I just put it aside because of some other responsibility or some other things that were not in my control, but now I'm taking control. So this song is very, very powerful for healing. Millions of people are using it. We didn't know really, but you can start using it now. I will share it with you all in the group. Okay. So play the song and try to just sit with yourself. That's it. Sit with yourself. Don't do anything. Or for you, for the body, you can do it in shower every day. Okay, let's start our peak state program. Come on, let's run. Can you hear the music? run faster. You're winning. You're winning. Come on. Run. Yes. I am the winner. We all are the winners in Game of Life. Okay, left feet forward now. Yes. We all are the winners. Let's celebrate our life. Let's be happy in this moment. Okay, so let's do one thing. Yeah, let's share the screen now. We have all the participants. Can you all see my screen? Okay, this is actually Heart Thoughts. I will open the magic book. Can you see the magic book? No?
Yes.
Oh, you can? Okay, perfect. Who would like to read today? Manohar ji, are you there today? You'd like to read?
Yeah, I'm there. Yeah, I'll start.
Okay. New people need to come up for reading too. Look how much we read in the 1 week. So today's practice is very super practice for health. So do understand very nicely what it wants to say. Like our whole life, we have been complaining about our health or our body or our particular organs, different parts of our body. But in this chapter, you will learn how you should not be actually complaining about your health and start paying gratitude. Okay, what do you guys see in this picture?
A stethoscope.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's a doctor's cabin.
Mm-hmm. Very good observation.
There's a skeleton photo, I think, behind.
Mm-hmm.
X-ray.
Yes. Yes, so there is a magic sparkle coming out of all this from the water and from the food. Did you see? I think there is an apple over here.
Yeah.
There is
An apple a day keeps doctor away.
Yes. So
Something to keep doctor away. Some magic to keep the doctors away.
yes. So this gratitude practice will keep the doctor away for a whole life. Okay, let's read.
So, therefore, magical health, the greatest wealth is health, as told by Virgil 70 BC to 19 BC, Roman poet. So, health is the most precious thing in life, and yet more than anything else, we can take our health for granted. For many of us, the only time we think of our health is when we lose it. Then the realization hits us: without our health, we have nothing.
Okay, so in this Corona time, everybody had realized that how important health is. How much important. Okay, let's read further.
So, there's an Italian proverb that speaks the truth about health for many of us. He who enjoys good health is rich, though he knows it's not. Though he knows it not. While we rarely think of our health when we are well, you will have felt the truth of those words even when you had something minor like a cold or a flu and you were bedridden. So when you are not well, all of you want is to feel better, and nothing else matters other than having your health back again.
Yeah, so whenever we are sick, nothing matters to us. We just want to get better and just want to get healthy again, right? So
Correct.
right now, thanks to this COVID time, everybody had realized how important the health is in our life. We see many people started physical activities. They started taking care of the health more, like especially for they started eating better food, taking the nutrition from the earth and all that stuff. So health is so important, and we really don't even realize until we have something, fever or cold or flu or even anything. Otherwise, we just take it for granted. Okay, let's see. Let's read further.
So health is a gift of life. It is something you receive and continue to receive each day. In addition to everything else we do to be healthy, we have to be grateful for our health to continue to recover, to receive more health. Remember, whoever has gratitude for health will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for health, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her.
So this is very powerful lines, these powerful lines. Whoever has gratitude will be given more and more in health. But whoever does not have gratitude for their health, whatever she or he has will be taken away. This is very powerful. You should be very grateful to be alive each day.
Yeah.
You have this life, and your body is tremendous, marvelous machine. It heals you. It does everything for you. And do we ever take time to thank it? Do we really take time? Mostly not. So now let's learn how to thank our body. Okay, let's read further.
So you may know of people who choose a healthy lifestyle and yet still lose their health. Giving thanks in return for the health you are receiving is vital. When you are grateful for your health, you will not only maintain your current health, at the same time, you will set the magic into motion to increase the flow of health to you. You will also begin to see the improvements to your health happen right away. Little aches and pains, moles, scars, or marks will start to magically disappear. And you will notice your energy, vitality, and happiness increase markedly. As you will learn in a later practice, through the daily practice of gratitude for your health, you can improve your eyesight, hearing, and all your senses along with every function in your entire body. And all of it happens like magic. As the saying goes,
I will,
gratitude. Yeah. Actually, just one thing, ma'am, is this chapter has 6 pages. Maybe we need to do it in 2 parts.
Okay. No, we
So
will
we
go
will not
ahead.
be able
I
to
will
finish
send
off.
another meeting because I'm not going to job today. So today, and maybe I'm gonna do something today because I was really busy last whole 2 weeks. But yeah, so I will send another meeting link as soon as this meeting ends. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. because you need
So-
to understand this it's very, very important. You need to understand then that this like the health, paying gratitude to health will increase your health so dramatically that you won't believe. Like I had some, some small thing on my body and it completely disappeared because I pay gratitude to my body every single day. Every single day I take each part in my body and I thank it. For the past 8 months, I've never been sick or anything. Even if I feel like something, some viral or something coming into my body, I start paying gratitude and it magically disappears within like one day. So that's why this is very, very important to pay gratitude for your health, for each and every body parts, for your eyesight, for your hearing, for your senses, everything. Okay, let's read further. Gratitude is a vaccine.
1 second. Na, hello. Ji. 1 second. So should I go ahead?
Yeah, go ahead.
So as you will, so the saying is gratitude is a vaccine, an antitoxin, and an antiseptic, said by John Henry Jowett,
Presbyterian preacher and writer.
Presbyterian preacher and writer. So the degree that you are grateful for your health is the exact degree that your health will magically increase, and the degree that you are not grateful is the exact degree that your health will decrease. Living with a decreased amount of health means your energy, vitality, immune system, clarity of thought, and every other function of your body and mind is weakened. So being grateful for your health ensures that you will continue to receive more health to be grateful for, and at the same time it eliminates stress and tension in your body and mind. Scientific research studies have shown that stress and tension are at the root of many diseases. Studies have also revealed that people who practice gratitude heal faster and are likely to live 7 years longer.
So our body has all that it like we need to heal. Everything is in our body. What we just need to do is pay gratitude. Feel gratitude. Actually, if you say gratitude, that won't work. You have to feel gratitude for your body, for your health. Okay, let's read further.
Yeah. So you can see in the state of your health right now how grateful you have been. You should feel amazing every day. If you feel heavy and life feels like a real effort to get through, or if you don't feel younger than your age, then you are living with a decreased health. One of the major causes of this loss of vitality is lack of gratitude. All of that is about to change, though, because you are going to use gratitude's magical power for the health of your body. So the magical health practice begins with reading through the following paragraphs about the health of your body. After you read each italicized line for a particular part of your body, close your eyes and mentally repeat the italicized line, feeling as grateful as you can for that part of your body. Remember that when you think about why you're grateful, it will help you feel gratitude more deeply. And the deeper you feel it, the faster you will feel and see the amazing results in your body.
This is so magical. So many participants in our group, they have healed themselves from very, like, very tough diseases. They did heal. So like in like past 6 months, 6 to 8 months, they have cured their knee problems. Some of them, they cured their callus in the foot, which was not going for years and years. There are live examples. Some people, one of my friend, she also actually cured her gray hair with gratitude. Can you believe it? So it's all in mind. You have to, you have to feel grateful, and you have to feel that your health is perfect. You are whole, perfect, and complete. That is what you need to do. There are so many participants who share this, like how magically they turn around their health with the gratitude practice every day. So now I would suggest you, if you have something in your body which you want to heal, pay gratitude every day, even though the book will just go with its own flow. But you can do this 5 minutes a day, only 5 minutes. Just feel gratitude for
Can
your
you
body.
just give illustrations how you give gratitude for any part of your body?
That we will learn in the coming chapter. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So let's
can
read.
I? Yeah. Think about your legs and feet. They are the main form of transportation in your life. Think about all the things you use your legs for, like balancing, standing up, sitting down, exercising, dancing, climbing steps, driving a car, and most of all, the miracle of walking. Your legs and feet allow you to walk around your home, walk to the bathroom, go to the kitchen to get a drink, and walk to your car. Your legs and feet allow you to walk around stores, down the streets, through an airport, and along the beach. The ability to walk gives us freedom to enjoy life. Say thank you for my legs and feet and really mean it.
Okay. So during because your this practice will start tomorrow, you all have the book, right? So do read these lines tomorrow from the book.
Thank you for my legs
Yes.
and feet.
So like, thank you for my legs and feet. Close your eyes and thank your feet for everything it does. Thank your legs for whatever it does for you. Think about the people who don't have legs,
Yeah.
and how much major thing they have to go through life. So much struggle. But we are so blessed to have legs and feet. So say thank you for your legs. Okay, let's read further.
Think about your arms and hands and how many things you pick up and hold in one day. Your hands are the major tools of your life and they are in non-stop use all day long, every day. Your hands allow you to write, eat a meal, use a phone or computer, shower, get dressed, use the bathroom, pick up things and hold them, and do everything for yourself. Without the use of your hands, you would be dependent on other people to do things for you. Say thank you for my arms, hands, and fingers. So then think about your amazing senses. Your sense of taste gives you so much pleasure multiple times throughout the day as you eat and drink. You know about losing your sense of taste through a cold, that the joy of eating and drinking disappears without being able to taste food or drinks. Say thank you for my amazing sense of taste.
Yeah, the people who had COVID, they know that how they, right? So if the sense of taste is not there, then you don't feel good. You don't feel anything. It is so important. We really don't realize the importance of all this, all our health, all our senses and everything. Our arms, our hands, so much they do for us throughout the day and throughout life. Do we ever think, even take out a 1 minute from our daily life and thank them? No. It is so important. Whole our body does so much for us. All our senses, sense of taste, sense of smell, everything. Do we ever thank them? No. So please take out time for your body now. Every day, sit with yourself, thank each of your body and say thank you, and put the reason why you are thankful. So you feel from the inside. Okay, let's read further.
Even your sense of smell enables you to experience the beautiful fragrances of life, flowers, perfumes, clean sheets, dinner as it's cooking, a fire burning on a winter's night. the air on a summer's day, freshly cut grass, the smell of earth after rain. Say thank you for my wonderful sense of smell. Then if you didn't have a sense of touch, you would never know hot from cold, soft from sharp, or smooth from rough. You would never be able to feel objects or physically express love or receive it. Your sense of touch always allows you to allows you to touch your loved ones with a reassuring hug, and to feel the touch of a hand from one human being to another is one of the most precious things in life. Say thank you for my precious sense of touch.
Yeah, so your sense of touch allows you to feel the love when you hug your son or your daughter. Feel that. If you didn't have the sense of touch, how would you feel the love? It is so important. So say thank you for my precious sense of touch.
Sense of touch. Yeah. Think about the miracle of your eyes, which enable you to see the faces of your loved ones and friends. Read printed books, newspapers, and emails. Watch television. See the beauty of nature. And most importantly, see your way through life. Just put a blindfold on for an hour and try to do what you normally do, and you will you will appreciate your eyes. Say thank you for my eyes that enable me to see everything. Think about your ears, which enable you to hear your own voice and other people's voices, so you can talk to people. Without ears and your sense of hearing, you could not use a phone, hear music, listen to the radio, hear your loved ones talk, or hear any of the sounds of the world around you. Say thank you for my hearing.
Right? So
And to use
your hearing and your eyes are so important. Without your ears and without your eyes, we are nothing. See, here it says, the most importantly, see your way through life. Your eyes allow you to see the bigger picture, to see the vision for your life. Right? It is so important. So feel gratitude for your eyes every single day. Right now, we are reading this book just because of our eyes.
Yes.
And we are hearing because of our ears. So it is so important. Okay, let's read.
And to use any of your senses would be impossible without your brain, which processes over 1 million messages a second through all your senses. It is actually your brain that enables you to sense and experience life, and there is no computer technology in the world that can duplicate it. Say thank you for my brain and my beautiful mind.
Right?
Think
So
about the trillions of cells.
Your brain is working 24/7. Even if you sleep, your brain is still working, right? So it is so important to pay gratitude to our brain. It is allowing us to learn this, to make a new pathway in our brain. So it is very, very important that we thank our brain each day for everything that it does. All the senses, how we can feel the senses because of our brain, because it allows all the senses, messages from the senses to the brain, right? And brain actually processes it. So many messages a second. So please thank your brain every single day.
Yeah.
You can read further.
Think about the trillions of cells working unceasingly 24/7 for your health, body, and life. Say thank you, cells. Think about your life sustaining organs, which are continuously filtering, cleaning, and renewing everything in your body. And think about the fact that they do all their work automatically without you even having to think about it. Say thank you, organs, for working perfectly.
So you don't even know like what all this, trillions of cells in our body does. Automatically, everything is going. Your digestion is going automatically. Your absorption of the nutrients going. Your heart pumping the blood through all your cells whole day. Your lungs making the oxygen reach to each cell every day. So how important all our parts, all our organs in our body, which we don't even know what they're doing right now, but we need to pay gratitude to them. We need to say thanks to them. So say thank you, my organs, for working perfectly. Okay, let's read further.
So, but more miraculous than any sense, system, function, or other organs in your body is the organ of your heart. Your heart governs the life of every other organ, because it is your heart that keeps the life flowing to every system in your body. So say thank you for my strong and healthy heart. Now,
so heart is the main organ in your body. It actually regulates each organ in your body. So heart is so important. Every single day you should pay gratitude to your heart. It's so important, because heart is like a sun in the solar system. You know, all the solar, like everything in the solar system is flowing around the sun. The same way, circulating around the sun. The same way, all the organs in our body are working around the heart. So heart is the main important organ in our body. Okay. Read further.
so there's an activity to be done. Take a piece of paper or a card and write on it in big bold letters, the gift of health is keeping me alive. Then take the card with you today and put it in a place where you know you will see it often. If you work at a desk, you can put it right in front of you. If you're a driver, put it in a place in your car or truck where you will see it often. If you're at home most of the time, you can put it where you wash your hands or near your phone. Choose a place where you know you will see the words you have written often. Today, on at least 4 separate occasions, when you see the words, read them very slowly, one word at a time, and feel grateful as you can for the gift of health.
Yeah, so this activity, put this, the gift of health is keeping me alive. You have to put it in a post-it notes or anything that you have. And I usually keep it on my fridge every day. Whenever I grab something from my fridge, I see these letters. And you have to read it slowly. Let it sink in your body that how important health is to keep you alive each day. So read it very slowly and then feel as much gratitude as you can for your health. So important. Everybody understood the today's practice? Okay.
So being grateful for your health is essential to keep your health, but also to guarantee that it continues to get better with increasing energy and zest for life. If gratitude were used in conjunction with conventional medical treatments, we would see a health revolution and recovery rates and miracles like we have never seen before.
Yeah, so this is still, people are not using gratitude right now, and even medical industry will not even come this secret out, because you know how the whole industry is running right now. So, but if you pay gratitude, even if you're taking medicine, pay gratitude for your health when you take a medicine. It is so important. Your health will increase dramatically. You will feel the energy increasing each day if you pay gratitude to your health. So magic practice number 4.
So magic practice number 4 is repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list. Say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel gratitude for each one. Step 2, on a piece of paper or a card, write those words. Write the words. The gift of health is keeping me alive. Then step 3, place the piece of paper with your written words where you know you will see it often today. And on at least 4 occasions, read the words very slowly and feel as grateful as you can for the precious gift of health. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the entire day.
Yes. So everybody clear about the practice?
Yeah.
So you have to see this paper again and again, and then slowly read the words and pay gratitude in your mind. Say thank you. So the gift of health is keeping me alive. If there was no health of gift our body, then we wouldn't be alive. So it is very, very important to pay gratitude to our health every single day. Even this is the practice for today, but I want you all to pay gratitude for your health every single day. Very important. Here she only mentioned like 5 senses and brain and heart. But I want you to arms and legs, but I want you to pay gratitude to all organs of your body every single day and see the magic. It will be so magical that every pain and everything, aches and pains from your body will gradually disappear from your body if you pay gratitude. But at the same time, if you're paying gratitude and then you're complaining about, oh, my legs hurt, oh, my feet hurt, or whatever, oh, I have a headache. So you are not paying gratitude, you're complaining about your health at that time. So don't contradict. On one side, you are paying gratitude, and on one side, you are complaining. So whenever you complain about yourself, catch yourself at that time. And instead of saying complaining words, start paying gratitude. It's that simple. It's very, very important. And here I'm reading the chat, and Arwa Shakir is saying that she also experienced it because she has been doing this practice. So do pay gratitude to your health every single day. It is the most important. Without our health, we are nothing. No money or nothing can be that important as our health. It is so important. Okay, let's read our heart thought. Can you see the heart thought?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So let's read it.
Should I read?
Yeah. Oh no, actually I'll read it. Sorry.
Yeah, you read because it's very small. I cannot see.
Yeah, I'll read it. One of the very worst things we can do is to get angry at ourselves. Anger only locks us more rigidly into our